If you're looking for a 75% keyboard that sounds amazing right out of the box, the Epomaker Cypher 81 might actually surprise you, especially for the price. It's a 75% layout, which means you still get your arrow keys in function row, but in a much smaller footprint than a full-size keyboard. Right out of the box, it has hot swappable switches, which means you can change the switches later if you want a different sound or feel. This one comes with wisteria switches, which have a really smooth feel and a deeper sound profile compared to a lot of stock switches. But the real question is, how does it actually sound? Overall, the Epomaker Cypher 81 is a solid option if you're looking for a compact keyboard that sounds great without spending a lot of money.